If you're a creator looking for a new tool to streamline your workflow, you might have come across Tapstitch, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this platform offers and see if it's truly worth your time. Tapstitch is designed to help creators manage their projects more efficiently. At its core, it allows users to organize and collaborate on various creative tasks, whether you're working on videos, graphics, or other digital content. The interface is relatively user-friendly, which is a plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. One standout feature is the integrated collaboration tools that let teams comment and make edits in real time, which can be a game-changer for group projects. However, the experience isn't without its hiccups. Some users have reported that the loading times can be sluggish, especially when dealing with larger files. Also, while it caters to a wide range of creative professionals, it feels like there's a bit of a learning curve for new users. The platform could do a better job of onboarding newcomers to help them hit the ground running. Overall, it has potential, but there are areas that need clarity and improvement. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. On the positive side, Tapstitch's collaboration features are robust, making it an excellent choice for teams. The user interface is visually appealing, and it does help in organizing tasks effectively. On the flip side, the occasional lag can be frustrating, particularly when you're in a crunch. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about the lack of advanced features that other platforms offer, which might leave seasoned creators wanting more. Pricing is another consideration. While it's not overly expensive, those on a tight budget might find it a bit steep, especially if they're just starting out. Overall, Tapstitch may be a great fit for smaller teams or those who prioritize collaboration, but it might not suit everyone, particularly more advanced users. In conclusion, Tapstitch offers some valuable tools for creators, particularly in collaborative settings. If you're a small team looking for an intuitive way to manage projects, it's worth considering. However, if you're a more advanced user or need specific features, you might want to explore other options. Just make sure to weigh the pros and cons before diving in.